Most people think developing a successful merchandising plan is really difficult and time consuming. It's not. Today, we're going to cover the basics of how to put together your merchandising plan that's going to help you create a profitable store for yourself. How to create a successful merchandising plan right now. First step that we're going to talk about is product selection. So the first step in creating a merchandising plan is to select the products that the store will sell. The second thing that you need to do is think about what this may include that's in high demand among the target market, as well as new and unique products that can help differentiate your store from the competition. Then it's time to think about product placement. Once the products have been selected, it's important to determine where in the store they will be placed. The most popular and high margin items should be placed in highly visible and easily accessible areas of the store. Other items can be strategically placed in areas where they're most likely to be noticed and selected by customers. So far, we have product selection and product placement. Then you have to think about the visual merchandising aspect. So think about when you walk into a store and there's lots of images and there's lots of signage, right? So the visual merchandising involves using displays, signage, and other visual cues to attract and engage customers. This can include window displays, in-store displays, and signs highlighting promotions or special offers that you have going on at your store. And then there's visual merchandising as a key component of creating a strong brand identity and creating a memorable customer experience. And then comes pricing. Pricing is another important aspect of merchandising. The prices of products should be competitive with other retailers in the area while still allowing your store to achieve a healthy profit margin. In some cases, the store may use sales or promotions to drive traffic and boost sales. So you've got to think about your pricing strategy as well. And then inventory management. So the store should keep track of inventory using an inventory management system, and this will help ensure that the store is well stocked with the products that customers want to purchase. The system will be updated regularly to reflect new inventory and sales. Really important as part of your merchandising plan that you have an inventory management system and you have a strategy for keeping that information up to date. Next is seasonal merchandising. So seasonal merchandising is another important aspect of the merchandising plan. This involves changing the product selection and displays to reflect the season that you're in or the upcoming holidays. So for example, the store may feature summer products during the summer months and holiday themed products during the winter and holiday season. And then finally, it's important to think about cross-selling. So this involves encouraging customers to purchase a complementary product that will enhance their experience with the initial product. So for example, a store may encourage customers to purchase a set of matching accessories with a new outfit. So once you've gotten through all of those, we'll just cover them real quick again. Product selection, then think about where you're going to place those products, then how you're going to visually merchandise, so that's displays, signage, and other visual cues to engage customers, what the pricing will be for each of those products, how you're going to manage the inventory, so what system you're going to use and how you're going to keep it up to date, what seasonal products you'll plan to bring in and when, and then how you're going to have complementary products so that you can cross-sell items and improve your ticket per customer. Then you've really created a nice basic plan for merchandising your store, right? And so you can do that right now and get started. It's not overly complex. Just break down those different areas and that will help you get started having a successful merchandising plan for your new store. Hit that subscribe button below for more great tips to help you grow your local business.